Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have one more six-seater dining design for you, and it is one of the masterpieces that we have created till date. The design is Italian from a catalog. Client loved it. He asked us to make it for him in teak wood in fine finishing as per the client's requirement and the fabric that is chosen by the client himself. And the overall look, I'll show you very fine details as well. The mastery of artisans is quite visible in this one. Each chair is double carved and is a six-seater dining. First, let me show you the chair. This is the chair we have, 52 inches back height, a quite wide design, and this is double carved. You can see the carving on the front as well as the back carving, and this makes the whole set very unique because double carving is a concept that looks very good in dining sets. Dining is visible from all the sides, and that's why double carving looks really good. The fabric is chosen by the client, and the overall look of the chair, the heavy look, the royal look, designer look, everything is quite visible here. I'll move the chair so you can see the dining and the dining table. And here is the dining design, 7 feet by 4 feet, 7 feet this way, 4 feet this way. It'll need a glass top. Once the glass is placed, it's ready for use. And the overall design at the bottom, you can see how nicely the entire thing is carved out of solid teak wood. This is not resin, this is not any other material. This is teak wood that is painted gold and black, two shades here as per the catalog design and as the client wanted. Looking at this, you will definitely appreciate the artisans quality we have, the master artisans that are working with us with Aarsun for so many years and making such grand, amazing designer royal pieces that are going across the globe. We are delivering to more than 55 countries, and designs from the Italian catalogs, Turkish catalogs, Egyptian catalogs, all designs we are making here in solid teak wood. Why I'm pressing on teak wood? Because most of these countries don't work on teak wood. Either they have some other wood. I think one wood is birch wood, BIRCH, birch wood, and most of the designs from the Middle East are made in resin. They have their own frames and the resin designs are made. We here make in teak wood, and as per the client's requirement. You require it 8-seater, you want it lesser than that, you want to change the size, you want to change the color, fabric, you don't like this fabric, you want something else, we will make it accordingly and deliver to your home. In India or outside India, to 55 countries we are doing it, and at factory price, because we are manufacturing it here, you are receiving it there. There is no commission agent, no trader, no extra money that is going in the middle. So you get the best price when you buy directly from Aarsun. Thousands of testimonials that are visible on the website, all the products we have made and delivered to so many places. The interior designers, the architects are taking our advice these days because they are designing so beautiful things from AI or from computer software, and when it's the final product, they come to us because they know who makes the quality. So you can contact us. The number is right here in front of you. We'll be happy to make what you like and deliver to your home. Thank you. Dhanyavad.